Asteroid belt. Mars is the last of the inner planets, and as we leave Mars, we will discover that the next part of the solar system is very different. We will find that the planets are much bigger and more colorful. Some have giant rings circling around them, while others have many, many moons. But before we reach the next planet, we enter the asteroid belt. Asteroids are huge boulders and small chunks of rock, metal, and ice traveling through space. Some asteroids measure almost 600 miles across. That's about the size of Texas. And then there are others that are the size of small pebbles. Comets also travel through space. A comet is a large ball of frozen rock and gas. Comets appear to have tails that trail behind. The tail happens because as a comet gets closer to the sun, the frozen gas starts to melt. It streams behind in a long tail that glows in the light of the sun. Some comets visit our solar system on a regular basis. For example, Halley's Comet passes by Earth every 76 years. The last time it appeared was in 1986. The next time you'll get a chance to see it will be 2062. Have you ever seen a falling star? Falling stars aren't stars at all. They're meteoroids. Meteoroids are chunks of rock that have traveled through space and entered Earth's atmosphere. It falls through the atmosphere so fast that the air heats it up and it burns. If we're looking up, we see a flashing streak across the sky. What we call a shooting or falling star is known as a meteor. Most burn up before they reach Earth. Meteors that reach the ground are known as meteorites. Large meteors can leave huge holes in the ground when they hit. This is a picture of a big crater caused by a meteorite that struck Earth. It's in Arizona.